Hi, my name is Larry Robbins. I'm the president of SMW Autoblok Corporation out of Wheeling, Illinois. We're at IMTS 2022 in the West Hall, introducing our newest, most innovative product offering. One of the first products we'd like to highlight is our stationary work holding products. What makes our stationary work holding products a little bit different than our competition is a few things. Most of our units are sealed against outside coolant, swarf, and invasion of outside contaminants. We have a very specific feature on these called center grip inserts. It's the only self-dimpling pull-down style clamping insert on the market today. One of the highlights of our stationary work holding product line is our APS 0-point system. APS 0-point gives you the ability to have a mounted system on the table of your machine that allows for repeatable placement of fixtures, vices, or any work holding implement within 5 microns of where it's supposed to be. One of the other big features of the system that we have is we're spring to close, air to open. We offer a turbo feature that gives you a third more pull down force to give a much more rigid basis for your fixtures to be mounted. We offer a 3-pin premium system that allows you to not have to position pucks for positional milling. One of the other features of our stationary product line is the ability to have different configurable vices for different applications. This is our Civi style vices. We offer it in a smooth jaw, a serrated jaw, and a center grip style jaw, along with your ability to have clack system parallels for easy repeatable setups on your vice systems. Another innovative part of our stationary work holding lineup is our power vices. Power vices allow for a few different modes of operation, from spring to close pneumatic to open, spring to close hydraulic to open, standard stroking and long stroking, along with the ability to use center grip jaws in any configuration. Combining that with APS allows you to have repeatable setups for automation systems. Another new product introduction from SMW Autoblok is SMW Autoblok Telbrook. Telbrook makes a lot of different products, from setup stations for machines so you can set up offline before it goes into your machining center. They make dedicated fixturing, whether it be hydraulic or pneumatic, to accommodate different aerospace components. Telbrook also produces a full line of manual steady rests. It's a product line that's completed our product line of hydraulic steady rests, which we're very famous for worldwide. This allows us now to accommodate customers who don't have hydraulic preparation or prefer not to use hydraulics on a machine tool. One of SMW Autoblok's newest product introductions is our full automation system. We have the ability to automate not only quick chuck changeover, but fixture changeover, vice changeover, part changeover, or whatever configuration the customer would like to have, along with our own set of custom pneumatic end effectors. The core of our product lineup has always been hydraulic work holding or manual work holding from a chuck standpoint. Chucks are rotating work holding that accommodate round, oblong, different shaped parts for either custom or standard applications. We offer full engineering capabilities and at the same time can sell a customer a chuck out of the box for their application. One of our newest product innovations when it comes to rotating or stationary work holding is our Senko 4 chuck. Senko 4 is a very unique chuck in the fact that it accommodates not only square parts but rectangular parts and round parts using standard jaws off the shelf. And we can create custom configurable applications for a 2+2 style chuck. Basically, the function of this chuck is it centralizes your workpiece. Once it senses it's centralized, it builds clamping force and it clamps your part on center every time. One of the original products that SMW Autoblok became famous for was their hydraulic steady rests. Hydraulic self-centering steady rests are used in shaft work, large diameter shaft work, propeller shafts, anything that crankshafts, camshafts, whatever you may have. So we sold multiple industries with similar products. One of the newest innovations from SMW Autoblok Corporation is SMW Electronics. SMW Electronics is the most innovative, progressive product introduced on the market today. We go from a linear positioning system to a non-contact transmission of power and data unit. They're available in multiple configurations and multiple sizes to suit every application. Another part of our electronics offering is wireless grip force meters. It allows you to measure grip force on a chuck, whether it be static or rotating. One of our other electronics components is, again, non-contact distribution of power, data for through-hole, open center, large diameter applications. Another example of our sensor systems that, again, transmits power wirelessly, also transmits data wirelessly. In the past, SMW Autoblok has been known as a work-holding company. With the introduction of our electronics product, it now gives us unlimited access to different industries, from commercial conveyor systems to aircraft component manufacturing to video inspection, all within a very simple, basic system. A product that's very recognizable in our industry is a company called Tobler. Tobler's very famous for the introduction of mandrels, diaphragm chucks, and sliding jaw mandrels. This technology has been around for many, many years, but Tobler is the creator of this technology. Tobler has a full complement of expanding mandrels, whether it be shaft-mounted, chuck-mounted, collet chucks, expanding mandrels, grease arbors, spline chucks, anything you would need for ID clamping. Another new feature of SMW Autoblok Electronics Division is the ability to now have parts presence sensing through an electronic interface instead of air, water, or oil. Another product introduction over the recent years has been our grinding products. SMW Autoblok has innovated a grinding steady rest that now makes repeatable, easy setups, where in the past it took laborious hours of resetting. Recentering is nothing more than flipping a switch, zeroing out, flipping a switch, zeroing out, and you're at zero. In the past, you had to have a part master that allowed you to zero out. This does away with that. We also make a full complement of pneumatic grinding chucks to hold your parts while they're being machined. The newest acquisition by SMW Autoblok Corporation is the Tecnomagnete magnet line. Tecnomagnete makes a full complement of permanent magnet chucks, hybrid style chucks, and radial pole chucks. Radial pole chucks are meant to do thin diameter, ring style setups for bearings, casting housings, anything that you can think of that's a round configuration. Another part of the Tecnomagnete product line is max lifters. Max lifters give you the ability from a small to a larger units to lift steel plates, round bars, or anything that you have to move around the shop safely with a very high correction factor. One of the core products in our magnetic work holding product line is our machining magnets. We offer different configurations for different applications. They're permanent electromagnets, so they're energized to clamp, energized to unclamp. There's no electrical connection needed in between. SMW Autoblok serves many different markets. We offer work holding for turning, for milling, for non-contact style manufacturing. We offer full automation systems, full magnetic work holding systems. We offer the most innovative work holding product in the industry. We invite you to come visit us at IMTS 2022 to see what we offer.